Hi, Make Friends. I'm going to give a quick reminder or introduction, depending on where you are, on how to edit Google Sites and upload some things for our class, specifically the decal project. So here I am in my parish. This should look familiar. Just a reminder, this is an easy way to get to the website. If you haven't bookmarked it, here I am at the website. I need to go to my page. So I made my own page here, but if I'm in 8A, I go to 8A class, find my name, find the project I want, and then go there. So here I am on William's decal page, okay? So it's important that you find your name and your project page, okay? But I'm Miss Makins, so I'm gonna go to my decal practice page. So here I am, and I've done some of the assignment, and now I'm ready to quote, turn it in, if you will. And so to do that, you want to make sure you look down in the bottom right-hand corner that you're seeing the little edit pencil. And if you're not seeing the edit pencil, chances are really good that you're not logged into Google a la your school email. So that's the magic trick. The other thing is, if you are sure you're logged into your school email, double check with me and Miss Williams, make sure we've got you the page shared with you, that you have editing permissions. I think we've got everybody, but just give us a nice little reminder. So to start turning in my work, I click my little pencil and it throws the website into edit mode. Okay, and it will automatically take me to my decal page if that's where I started. Okay, if not, I can navigate to my page by clicking here on pages and then working my way there. So if I want to get the 8A pages, if I'm William, click on William, go to decal. But I know I'm on my decal page because one, that's where I started, but two, do you see it down here by my cursor? It's in purple. So that's how I know what page I'm on. Okay, super important because all your pages are laid out the same. So you want to make sure you're on your page. So you turn in your work on your page. Okay, so I've made my parish decal and I need to insert a screenshot of it. Okay, well, let's do that. Let me go back to where I have it. I'm gonna go back to where I have it saved on my my computer, and here's my decal, and I'm going to click print screen on my keyboard, and then I'm going to open Paint, and I'm going to click New, and I'm going to click in the canvas. It doesn't matter that I made a dot. I just want to click there to activate it, and I'm going to hit Control V for paste. And there I've pasted my screenshot in, and now I'm going to crop it down. I click the crop button, and I grab on these handles, and I'm going to trim it down nice so it's just my decal we're getting a screenshot of. There it is. And now I hit click on Done. And there it is. And it's kind of small right now, but that's not a big deal. And I'm going to save it in my Make folder on my computer first, where I'm going to keep all my work before I upload it to my Google folder, because that's where we turn everything in. So I'm going to call it Screenshot Parish Decal. Okay. So I've saved it there, minimize, close, and I'm going to go to, let's see, my Google Drive, not there. I need to go to my shared drive for Make. Here I am in my shared drive. I'm going to look for my folder, Miss Makins, and I'm going to go New, File Upload, and then I'm going to find where I saved it. And I want the screenshot, okay? Notice I have the actual file I saved up here too, okay? So that's important that they're all here, all right? So now I can go back to my make page. I can click on this plus sign button. I'm going to upload, and I find, I'm going to actually, oops, let's do this. I'm going to upload from Drive right here, from Drive. So not upload, I'm going to hit plus, and I'm going to pull it in from Drive. And then, oh my goodness, you're getting to see all my folders over here. I need to go to Shared Drive. I need to go down to Make 8A, because I'm in the 8A class, or my folders with the 8A class. And now I'm inserting the screenshot, not the file. This over here is the file. This is the screenshot of my file. And I double click on it, and boom, it auto inserts there. How cool is that? The other thing I need to do is insert my entire Google folder. You're like, what in the world, Miss Makins? Trust me on this. This is pretty cool. So I'm going to go over here to the Insert menu. I'm going to go to Drive. Remember, it's a shared drive. Come back down here. 8A. And a minute ago, I double-clicked on my folder to get to my screenshot. Here, I'm just going to click on my name once, and I'm going to click Insert. And see, look at this. Now, did this insert in the correct place? No, meaning it's not down here where it says Decal Google folder. So I need to come over here, and you see these little dots? My cursor changes right there. So now I can grab this, and I'm going to move it down. See the blue lines below Decal Google folder? When I see that blue line below the Decal Google folder, I let go with my mouse, and it inserts my folder right there. Okay? And then these other items I haven't done yet. Okay? But now, super important step. I can't just because I see it, my folder, I see the stuff in my folder, doesn't mean that it's published. Okay? It will save, but it doesn't mean that when Ms. Williams and I go to grade it, we'll see it until it's published. All right? So it's important to go here, hit publish. It's going to show you what's currently there and then what you want to publish. And so, yes, I want to publish. I hit publish. And there it is. Okay, and if I want to double check, I go to view. And this is what this is how you double check to make sure Ms. Makins and I, or Ms. Williams and I can see it. Okay, so there's my screenshot. Here's my folder. You see my files in my folder. And then this is other things that I haven't gotten to yet. So I need to go make the decal for my favorite family trip, experience, or memory. And then these items down here are for when when my decals get printed on the printer and get cut out. Okay, so that's that. Now remember, these pluses, they go away. If I'm not in editing mode, those pluses for inserting aren't there. But watch when I'm in editing mode again. It's thinking that's where I get the plus and can do all the insert. Okay? All right, let us know if you have questions. Otherwise, have lots of fun getting your decals made and uploaded. Bye.